Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to achieve the look that I'm wearing right now. It's a soft cut crease with some smoked out winged eyeliner and some darker lip color. I just love how this look came out. I wanted to do something a little bit more glam today, so this is what I came up with. I hope you guys like it. Now, in one of my next videos, I'm gonna be doing a Q&A, so if you wanna ask me something, go ahead and leave your questions down in the description box. No, you can't do that. You can't leave your questions in the description box. But you can leave your questions down in the comment section, and in one of my next videos, I'm gonna be answering to your questions. I said questions so many times, but anyway, today's video is a tutorial on this look, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alrighty guys, so I'm starting off with my foundation and eyebrows on, and now we're jumping straight to the fun part, which is the eye makeup. I love doing eye makeup. It's so exciting. You can get so creative with it, but I feel like the foundation and the eyebrows, they're just a routine, you know, you do them and you're moving on to your eye makeup. I mean, you can't really do much with them. It's a foundation. You can't really play with it. Where with the eye makeup, you can use so many different colors, so many different techniques, so many different, I don't know, it's just a lot more, it's giving you a lot more space for creativity. That's what I'm trying to say. But anyway, as always, I'm gonna have all of the products that I'm wearing on my face down in the description box so that you can check them out. And now I'm gonna start off doing my eye makeup because I've been talking for a little bit too much. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I'm gonna use the shade C3, and I'm gonna use that as an eyeshadow primer today. And I'm gonna quickly blend it out with my sponge. And then I'm taking some face powder and I'm gonna set it in place. Right, next I'm taking this eyeshadow here by... Why I'm not in focus? That's better. I'm taking this eyeshadow here by Makeup Geek. It's called Latte, and with the Sigma E25, I'm gonna place it in my crease. In my previous video, I was telling you guys how to use this brush for best results. So if you haven't watched it already, go ahead and check it out. I think that if you have this brush or something similar to it, it's gonna be really helpful. I feel like this instantly added some definition to my eyes and it made them look a little bit more open, and I don't know, I just really like the only crease color looks. I just love wearing them. I feel like they look really good on me. So now I'll go ahead and kind of add a little bit more darkness to the crease, and I'm gonna use another eyeshadow by Makeup Geek. This one is called 10 Lines, and it's a little bit darker than the one that we just applied. So I'm gonna load my brush with some of it. I'm using the same brush, and this is going again in my crease right here, but I'll try to keep it lower than that previous color that we applied. I love using eyeshadows just in the crease, and if they're more neutral colors, it looks so natural. And if you're, let's say, with someone who doesn't really know much about makeup and they're not really interested in those kind of stuff, they will truly believe that you're not wearing anything on your eyelid. Like, honestly, it can be such a nice trick to kind of open up your eyes and make them look a little bit more defined without like being like poof, eyeshadow everywhere. Of course, we made it a little bit more dramatic by adding that darker color, but you know what I mean. Like, look at this side. It looks like this is the crease that I woke up with. Right, so next I'm taking this shimmery eyeshadow here, again by Makeup Geek. It's called Shima Shima, and I'm gonna take it on a Morphe M503 brush. It's a very nice fluffy one. I'm gonna apply that all over my eyelid, and this is going to add a very sheer layer of shimmer. It's gonna help the lid to kind of pop. You can also go with a nice light matte color, so it's really up to you. So yeah, feel free to use whatever you have. Okay, now it's time for the smoked out winged eyeliner. Oh my god, I'm getting so excited right now. Make sure that you have all of the tools that you will need in front of you, because if you're working with a product that it's drying out a little bit quicker, you will need to be quick and you want to be prepared and not lose time searching for your brushes and everything. So you will need a brush like this one. You can find one of those like basically everywhere. I'm gonna use one by Sigma. This is their E20, and I'm gonna use a gel eyeliner by Inglot. This is in the shade 77, and I think that gel eyeliners work best for this, so that's what I'm recommending you to use. And I'm gonna use a black eyeshadow. I'm gonna go with one by Makeup Geek. It's called Corrupt. These are the 3 things that you'll need, so let's go ahead and do that. Oh no, I forgot something. I forgot the most important thing. I'll also use an angled brush to apply the eyeliner. I'm gonna use one by Colourpop. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip that angled brush in the gel eyeliner. Whew, my god, I'm getting nervous. And I'm gonna create a thin line very closely to my lashes. You wanna make it very thin, because that way you're gonna have a lot more space to blend it out without ending up with a very dramatic liner. I'm also going to do like a small tiny baby wink here. Okay, so something like this is pretty good. Next, I'm switching to that smudging brush and I'm gonna start smudging the eyeliner. You want to use very short strokes, kind of like pressing and dragging, but you don't want to drag it like a very long way. So just press, drag a little bit. If you feel like your brush is getting like full of eyeliner, just clean it up on a tissue or something. That's what I'm doing right now. And then go back and start blending, because if you have your smudging brush loaded with gel eyeliner, it's gonna get a little bit messy because you're gonna be moving a lot of product, and you know it's just gonna be a disaster. So make sure that you clean your brush if you feel that it's getting like full of product. And don't really worry about this part here, because we're gonna be cleaning it up. Just make sure that on top here on the eyelid, the eyeliner is as smoked out as possible. Okay, that's a really long eyeliner, but we're gonna clean it up, don't worry. Okay, so as you can tell, my eyeliner looks a little bit funny, so I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. This is not the final look yet, but if you clean it, you're gonna get a lot cleaner version of the end result, so that's what we're gonna do. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load again that angled brush with that gel eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply one more layer of it because I want it to be very nice and dark. And because I smudged it, it kind of lost the intensity, so I'm adding one more layer just at the base of my lashes. Taking that smudging brush again and smudging. Now I'm taking that black eyeshadow on the same smudging brush and I'm gonna set that eyeliner in place, and the higher I go, the less product I wanna have on my brush. So the most product goes very close to my lashes, and as higher I get, I want my brush to be as clean of that eyeshadow as possible. Honestly, I think that if you use some tape, it's gonna be like 100 times easier. So if you feel comfortable using tape, go ahead and add some just right here where you want your eyeliner, you know, to kind of create a sharp line, and it's gonna be a lot easier. Now I'm cleaning my under eyes because I wanna add some under eye concealer there. I had some foundation there and it was like not looking really good, so I'm removing it so that I can add a nice smooth layer of concealer without having any creases before that, because you know you don't want to layer too much product under your eyes because it can get very messy and creasy and so avoid that. I'm being like super careful here next to the eyeliner. I want to keep that very nice sharp line. Oh, and by the way, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer again, but I'm going with the shade C2 now. And to prevent it from creasing, I'm setting it with some face powder. I'm using that same Rimmel Stay Matte powder that I used to set the concealer on my eyelids. For falsies today, I'll go with this pair here by House of Lashes. It's called... I have no idea how it's called. Oh, I think it's called Noir. But the packaging is gorgeous and they're so long and fluffy. I haven't worn that long and intense falsies for a while now, and I'm so excited to put them on. I'll definitely need to cut them though because they're a little bit long, and as you can tell, this is going to be the first time that I'm wearing this pair. Oh my god, they make me excited. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of measure them. I'm gonna cut them somewhere here. Let me try them on again. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, that looks okay. Now, most of the lashes that I have, like the new pairs that I'm wearing, are so long for my eyes. Like, they're huge. They're made for some like really large eyes. Now I'm adding some glue to the lashes. And by the way, my favorite lash glue is the one by House of Lashes. Like, honestly, it's gonna keep your lashes in place for a really long time. I forgot to add some mascara. Oh no. I'm gonna quickly coat my lashes with some mascara. It was a good idea to curl them before that, but I kind of forgot. But it's okay. And I'm gonna add the falsies. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that first eyeshadow that we used in the crease, the one by Makeup Geek called Latte, and I'm gonna take it on a small blending brush. Look how tiny is this brush, it's so cute. This is the Morphe White 22. I'm gonna load it with some of that eyeshadow, tap off the excess, and I'm gonna smudge that under my lower lashes. You can also add some mascara on your lower lashes if you want. I don't usually do that, so I'm gonna skip that step today. And I'm gonna use some bronzer to add some color to my face because I look like one colored potato with some poses. I really love how this eye makeup came out. Anyway, I'm gonna use the Benefit Hoola Light and I'm gonna just add it on my face. For highlighter, I'm gonna go with the Mary Luminizer by The Balm. It's a liquid highlighter and I absolutely love it, but you just need to be a little bit quicker when you're working with it because it's drying out a little bit quickly. So you need to blend it out really good before it's nice and dry on your skin. But look at how nice and intense glow it's giving me. And it also looks very natural. Like very natural. I think I like this version of the Mary Luminizer a lot more. The powder is also absolutely amazing, but the liquid version of it is on another level. Also adding some of it in the inner corners of my eyes. Look at that gorgeousness. And on top of it, I'm gonna add some of that Shima Shima eyeshadow, oops, by Makeup Geek. It's fine. On my lips, I'll go with the lipstick by Ofra. It's called Hypno. Oh my goodness! You really need to make sure that you shake this really well before spraying it on your face. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Fixing Mist, so spray my face with it. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to leave your questions down in the comment section for one of my next videos, which is going to be a Q&A. I'm so excited. I haven't done a Q&A for like a year or something. Shame on me, but I'm gonna change that very soon. Anyway, I really love how today's look came out. I think that for me, the perfect glam look looks something like this. Some very nice and soft eye look with some long fluffy lashes, defined eyebrows, and dark lip color. Like, I love this so much. Anyway, I really hope you guys find this video useful. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press the bell button next to the subscribe button because that way you're gonna be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. All of the links will be down in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!